Cues. 1. Which of the following events in Christopher Marlowe's life is often considered to have contributed to the mystery surrounding his death? A. His involvement in a duel. B. His secretive work as a spy. C. His alleged atheism. D. His connections with the court. Answer. A. His involvement in a duel. 2. Marlowe's works are often associated with which literary movement that emphasized humanism and the potential of individual achievement? A. Romanticism. B. Elizabethan drama. C. Metaphysical poetry. D. Neoclassicism. Answer. B. Elizabethan drama. 3. What was the title of the play that Marlowe wrote about the historical figure who was a conqueror of Asia? A. Dr. Faustus. B. Edward II. C. Tamburlaine. D. The Jew of Malta. Answer. C. Tamburlaine. 4. Marlowe's use of blank verse in his plays was significant because it A. Made his works more accessible to the common people. B. Allowed for greater emotional expression and flexibility. C. Was a departure from the use of rhymed couplets. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 5. Which of the following statements about Marlowe's education is true? A. He was expelled from Cambridge for heretical views. B. He received a scholarship to attend Cambridge University. C. He studied law but never practiced it. D. He was a member of the university's debating society. Answer. B. He received a scholarship to attend Cambridge University. Dr. Faustus, work-based difficult MCQs. 1. In Dr. Faustus, what is the significance of the character of the good angel and the evil angel? A. They represent Faustus's internal conflict between good and evil. B. They are embodiments of the Christian faith. C. They serve as comic relief in the play. D. They symbolize the duality of human nature. Answer. A. They represent Faustus's internal conflict between good and evil. 2. What is the primary reason Faustus ultimately regrets his pact with Mephistopheles? A. He realizes he has wasted his life. B. He is unable to achieve true knowledge. C. He fears eternal damnation. D. He loses his friends and family. Answer. C. He fears eternal damnation. 3. Which of the following themes is not prominently explored in Dr. Faustus? A. The quest for knowledge. B. The conflict between science and religion. C. The nature of true love. D. The consequences of ambition. Answer. C. The nature of true love. 4. In the play, what does Faustus ask Mephistopheles to do that demonstrates his desire